Hi there, my name is Shayan. I'm an electrical engineer specializing in AI and autonomous systems. I have 2 years of experience of teaching maths and coding, helping students to, build strong problem-solving skills. I've worked as a coding instructor at a well-known platform known as Bright Champs, teaching Python, Scratch, app development, game development, and web development. Besides that, I've also been teaching students how to create different kind of games on Roblox Studio with the help of, Lua coding and as well, Minecraft education. Currently, I design courses in maths, coding, and robotics as a curriculum developer at Code Mantra. I believe learning should be fun, interactive, and hands-on, whether it's, solving challenging math problems or creating exciting coding projects. I make sure my students understand the concepts step by step and apply them to, real world situations. So, if you're looking to boost your coding skills or you want to start your journey today, I would love to help you. Book your first lesson today and let's learn together in a way that's exciting and easy to learn. Thank you.